Hi there, this is LenFlair. Hi guys! Andito na naman tayo sa ating quick and easy cooking but masarap. Ang lulutuin natin ngayon ay binangkal. Sabi ng anak ko, tinatawag daw niya ng Filipino Sesame Balls. Ito siya binangkal. Ito siya, famous siya sa mga Kabisayaan, pero I'm not sure kung alam ng mga Tagalog to. Pero papakita ako sa inyo, quick and easy. Ito yung anak ko, mag-i-intro muna siya.
Hello, my name is Dirk. Welcome to our channel. As you know, I've been in our recent videos that we have made. Today we are going to be making some food. The recipe is called Binangkal, or Filipino Sesame Balls. Shout out to Auntie Ivy, who is located in Philippines. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel and turn notifications on. It'll help us grow our channel and make better content. It's free as well. Thank you. So here are the ingredients. 6 cups of self-raising flour, 1 cup of full cream milk, 1 cup of caster sugar or normal white sugar, sesame seeds, and 2 big eggs or 4 small eggs. When your flour is wet, add more flour to it. Keep watching to see the ingredients of what we use to produce our Filipino sesame balls. Thank you. I'll leave Mum to do and make the sesame balls because I'm hurt, which means I can't help her today.